Under the shader settings, I use the PBR Metal Rough with Alpha Blending. This will allow me to use the opacity channel. I select the glass and add a fill layer, naming it glass. For the fill layer, I turn off all the channels except opacity, roughness, and color. I lower the opacity to around 0.3. I change the color to a dark gray. I also lower the roughness to around 0.015. Add another fill layer and name it Scratches. I turn off all the texture channels except opacity, roughness, and color. I add a black mask with a fill. For the grayscale, I add a grunge map. I'll increase the tiling to around 3. Then change the other parameters as I see fit. I change the color for the scratches to a darker gray. I duplicate the scratches layer and rename it to Smudges. I change the grayscale grunge map to a smudge. I'll use the grunge dusty powder soft. I decrease the tiling and adjust the other parameters. I change the color and add a bit of brown to indicate a dirty surface. I increase the roughness to around 0.7. I add a new fill layer and name it Dust. I turn off all the texture channels except opacity, roughness, and color. I search for a Dust Smart Mask and drag it onto the layer. I'll use the Dust Dirty. I lower the global balance and the ambient occlusion. I change the color to a slightly lighter version of the smudges layer. I increase the roughness to around 0.8.